Alright, I'll give that a shot.
What the fuck? Open the door while your window's down. You have a lot full of space.
I'm gonna slam this door. Right on. Oh, that's good. Alright, done it. That looks awesome. I'm gonna post that one now.
Just took a movie, you punch it out with your hand. Say, look, I broke my glass.
Well, since I'm in one cut take here, let's try that too.
You got another window to face over? Put it in movie mode on a tripod. Punch your fist through.
Ooh, not sure. Ooh, that's so smooth. So smooth. Nah, not as impressive. Still pretty fun though. That'll all melt. Okay, I'm gonna post this.